In the darkest depths of the ocean, where light dares not enter, lives a creature so intelligent, so elusive, that scientists have been left baffled. This is the story of the Vanishing Octopus.
Day 12 of our research mission. We've been tracking an octopus that seems to disappear, not just hiding. It vanishes completely, but how?
Octopuses are known escape artists. They can change color, mimic their surroundings, and even squeeze through holes the size of a coin. But this was something else. To solve the mystery, Dr. Ellis and her team tagged the octopus. But then, something shocking happened.
What just happened? How did it get out of the tank?
Octopuses can walk. Yes, walk on land for short distances. But what if they are smarter than we think? In the darkness, two glowing eyes appear. Suddenly, the octopus extends a tentacle and gently taps her camera, as if to say, "You'll never catch me." Back in the lab, Dr. Ellis watches the footage, shaking her head and smiling. The vanishing octopus remains one of nature's greatest tricksters, and perhaps its most intelligent escape artist. Octopuses are some of the strangest creatures in the ocean. We already know they have soft, flexible bodies that let them squeeze into tiny spaces. But did you know they also have blue blood and 3 hearts? That's right. While one heart pumps blood to the organs, the other 2 push oxygen-rich blood to the gills. But here's the real kicker. When an octopus swims, it actually shuts off one of its hearts. Imagine going for a swim and your heart just decides to take a break. And speaking of weird abilities, octopuses are escape artists like no other. They can twist, turn, and slip through cracks smaller than their own eyeballs. Some have even been caught on camera breaking out of aquariums like underwater Houdinis. In fact, one famous octopus, named Inky, escaped from the National Aquarium of New Zealand by slipping through a small gap in his tank, crawling across the floor, and squeezing into a drain pipe that led straight to the ocean. Imagine being the person who had to explain that to their boss. And Inky isn't the only octopus who pulled off a daring escape. In another case, an octopus in Germany named Otto was caught throwing rocks at the glass of his tank. But it gets even crazier. Otto figured out how to short-circuit the aquarium's lights by climbing out of his tank and spraying water on the electrical system. It seems like octopuses aren't just smart. They might also be little troublemakers. With all these insane abilities, you have to wonder, how smart are octopuses really? Well, some scientists believe they're as intelligent as dogs. They can solve puzzles, recognize human faces, and even use tools. In fact, some octopuses have been caught collecting coconut shells and using them as portable hiding spots. That's basically the underwater version of carrying around your own personal fort. And here's where things get really interesting. Some scientists have suggested that octopuses are so different from other animals that they might as well be aliens. Their genetic structure is incredibly unique, and some theories even suggest that their ancestors arrived on Earth from space, frozen inside comets millions of years ago. While that might sound like pure science fiction, their intelligence and bizarre abilities make them one of the most unusual creatures on our planet. We know octopuses are intelligent, but do they actually feel emotions? Researchers have discovered that octopuses experience stress, excitement, and even curiosity. In one study, an octopus was observed playing with a toy over and over again, just like a child would. They also seem to recognize individual people. Some octopuses are friendly and interact with divers, while others remember when someone treated them badly, and they're known to squirt water at people they don't like. But wait, there's more. Octopuses can also camouflage instantly. Their skin is packed with tiny color-changing cells called chromatophores, allowing them to blend into their surroundings in a fraction of a second. They don't just change color either. They can change texture too. Some species even mimic other animals, like the mimic octopus, which can copy the movements of lionfish, sea snakes, and even flounders to avoid predators. But what's even crazier, they don't just use camouflage to hide. Some octopuses have been observed playing mind games with predators by pretending to be something they're not. Imagine being a hungry fish and suddenly the rock you were about to bite turns into an angry octopus. That's next-level trickery. With all these incredible abilities, intelligence, problem-solving, camouflage, and even emotional responses, it's no wonder that some people believe octopuses could be the closest thing we have to an alien species on Earth. So, the next time you see an octopus, just remember, you're looking at a shape-shifting, puzzle-solving escape artist genius with 9 brains and 3 hearts. And that's pretty weird. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievable animal facts. We post new videos every week, so don't miss out. And now, we want to hear from you. What's the strangest animal behavior you've ever heard of? Drop a comment below, and we might feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.